Ever notice how websites, ads, and even random apps always seem to know exactly where you are? That's because every time you go online, your IP address quietly shares your location and browsing habits with every site you visit. It's like carrying around a digital name tag that tells the internet who and where you are. But what if you could remove that name tag and go completely invisible online? That's exactly what NordVPN lets you do. A VPN, virtual private network, works like a secure encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic. Usually, your data travels in plain sight. Your internet provider, advertisers, and even hackers can see where you're going. But with a VPN, your connection is encrypted, meaning your information is scrambled into unreadable code that only you and the website you're visiting can decode. Your location is hidden, and your digital footprint becomes untraceable. So whether you're working remotely, traveling abroad, or just tired of being followed by creepy targeted ads, NordVPN gives you absolute control over your privacy. Setting up NordVPN takes just a few minutes. Click the link below to grab the best current deal, up to 74% off, plus 3 extra months free. Choose a plan. I recommend the Plus plan, which includes extras like a built-in password manager and ad/tracker blocker for only a bit more. Download the app on your device, install it, and log in. Once you open NordVPN, just hit Quick Connect. The app will automatically find the fastest, most secure server available and lock down your connection instantly. Your IP disappears, your traffic is encrypted, and you're browsing in total privacy, all within seconds. Want to appear in another country? Just pick a location on the world map and NordVPN teleports your connection there. Stream as if you're in the UK, shop like you're in Germany, or browse like a local anywhere you choose. For extra peace of mind, take a minute to fine-tune a few settings. Auto Connect automatically protects you the moment you join any Wi-Fi, especially public networks at cafes or airports. Kill Switch instantly blocks your internet if the VPN connection ever drops, preventing accidental data leaks. Threat Protection, Plus plan or higher, blocks malicious sites, trackers, and annoying ads before they even load, keeping your device faster and safer. NordVPN isn't just about privacy. It's your passport to global entertainment. Streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and BBC iPlayer show different content depending on your region. With NordVPN, you can switch your virtual location to access other countries' libraries, or keep watching your favorite shows from home while you travel. It's like having multiple streaming subscriptions in one. Here's a feature most people don't even know about: MeshNet. It securely links your devices, your phone, laptop, tablet, or desktop, as if they're all on the same Wi-Fi network, no matter where they are in the world. You can send files directly and privately between devices without using cloud storage or USB drives. Just enable MeshNet, choose the device, and share. Fast, secure, and completely private. Your data is valuable, and it deserves protection. With NordVPN, you're not just hiding your IP address, you're taking back your digital privacy, securing your devices, and opening up the whole internet without borders. Use the link below to grab NordVPN's best deal. It doesn't cost you extra, and it helps support the channel so we can keep creating content like this. Stay private, stay secure, and enjoy the internet on your terms. Because from now on, no one's watching.